welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and review for this Huacan kit that I ordered from AliExpress. The store name is Huacan, and I know you guys have heard of that store a lot, and some of you might have bought the paintings from them. And this kit that I ordered is it's the owl painting with the special diamonds or special rhinestones. To be honest, I have already gone ahead and peeked inside, so I know how it looks like, and I am a little bit disappointed with the amount of special diamonds or special shaped rhinestones they have sent for this kit. I was expecting a lot more rather than just the round rhinestones they sent. I thought that they would send a whole bunch of special shaped rhinestones. Saying that, I even looked at the quality, and the quality is amazing. There is no issues or no concerns when it comes to quality. But yeah, I was a little bit disappointed with the number of special shaped rhinestones they sent. So let's go ahead and open this kit. I've already opened it, just removing it from the bag again. I tried to hide the fact that I had already peeked inside, but hey, nevertheless, let's go ahead and get the painting out. Okay, so let me go ahead and unroll it. Just give me 1 second. Here is the painting. Yep, here is the painting, and it's a partial drill, it's not full drill, and I know a lot of you have this painting. I have seen a lot of YouTube videos for everyone buying this kit, and I don't know what made me buy this kit and not the elephant or the tiger, because they looked more promising than this one. But I guess because I'm crazy for owl, I just bought this kit, and you can clearly see the disappointment in my heart regarding this painting, because I expected a whole lot of special shaped rhinestones. Let's go ahead and let me show you. These are the special shaped rhinestones, and you can see there's like one this yellow, and then if I flip it over, it's this white one, the smaller white ones. These two are the special shaped rhinestones that I got. And then these rhinestones they sent for the rest of the painting, which are pretty too, and they are 3 mm in size. I do sell these rhinestones myself, so I know they are really good quality rhinestones. And there are 15 colors, so including these two, this is 01 and 04. So including these, I have all the rhinestones here, and they are really pretty colors. I am not saying that these rhinestones are not pretty. Never mind, I found more special shaped rhinestones, but it's not like it's the same shape, just a different color. One is the blue one, the similar to the yellow one, and then these are round but just a bigger sized ones. So there is really not much special shaped. I was expecting like flower shape or pearls or something like that, but I don't see any of those. To be honest, I had peeked just at the painting, not at the diamonds, and the only diamond shaped the special shaped diamonds that I saw was these two, since they were packed separately. I didn't look at these. I did not open this package and looked through each of them, so it was my fault. But honestly speaking, I still feel there's not a number of special shaped diamonds. These are just special shaped because there's only like 2 special shaped diamonds, and then one is just a different size of round. That's it. Everything else is just small 3 mm round rhinestones. So I am not happy, but definitely I love the quality of the canvas. The canvas is thick, it is a beautiful canvas, and from the stickiness I can say it's really sticky. So the glue is amazing, and I'm not complaining about the canvas or the glue or the quality of the product of the rhinestones or the diamonds, whatever you may call it. The only thing that really disappointed me was the amount of special shaped rhinestones or diamonds were not that much. Also with the kit, I got the tool kit, which is right here. I got this 9-pick tool or a 6-pick. I don't usually use this, so I have really no idea what size is. I think it's 6 or 9, I'm not sure though. A pen, a single pick pen with a grip, which I really like, because I think grip gives you it lets me work longer with the grip than just with the pen. So I'm really happy with this. A pair of tweezers, just a regular tweezers, nothing special, but a pair of tweezers. 2 big sheets of wax, which is amazing considering this is a half drill or a partial drill. I am really happy that they gave me 2 big pieces of wax. And then a white tray. This is similar to the diamond dots tray, which is gray in color, and the ridges are really nice. So really happy with the quality of the tray. It is similar to diamond dots, like I mentioned. Diamond dots is gray, this one's white, but this is really good ridges. It has really good ridges. So that's about it, guys. This is the diamond painting kit by Huacan on AliExpress, and let me know in the comments below if you guys have done this kit by Huacan, or what did you think about my review for the amount of special rhinestones, which you can clearly see I am really disappointed with. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I greatly appreciate every comment that you guys post. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to stay in the loop of all the videos that I post. Also, if you haven't checked out my 500 subscriber giveaway video, I will leave a link in the description for you guys to check out, and if you comment there and subscribe to my channel, you will enter into the drawing for 1 diamond painting giveaway. Guys, I'm doing only 1 for this time, but definitely more giveaways will come through, and I will let everybody get a chance to win something or the other. So that's about it. Before you guys leave, I forgot that they also gave me a 3-pick pen, which I don't know, it wasn't there a minute ago. I don't know how it came, but that's about it, guys. Strange things are happening with me these days, but really appreciate you all being my subscribers, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.